Good morning. It is 5:45 a.m. Yeah, it's 5:45. Just woke up for the sunrise. Can't see the sun right now, but you can see the sun is starting to rise. Bright and early. Good way to start the day, bright and early. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a nice weekend, weather's been great. Just enjoying day by day, Things are getting back to normal here on the island, with the whole COVID. They say the border is going to reopen for the 1st of September, which is great. So, we'll just have to be patient, see what happens with that, but things look good. But yeah, as you can see, it's a lovely morning. It's going to be a great day, hopefully. The sun is rising. It's kind of behind the clouds over there, but it's a lovely morning. You can hear the chickens running and hollering this time of the morning. But yeah, it's a lovely morning. There's some massive clouds, so just pouring in that direction, which is West Bay, where we were a couple of days ago. I'll show you. Some big clouds. See it's raining over there. Damn chickens always making wrong noises in the morning. Holy moly, it's raining. You see it's kind of sunny over there, but it's rain over here, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully the sun stays out later. That's perfect. So the rain's pouring outside. Decided to make some arroz con leche, which is rice with milk, vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon. It smells delicious. This one for a lady, my girlfriend, who's a little bit shy on camera this morning, is making it right now.
Not true.
But it smells really good. And it started to rain again. I kind of want to go outside and get wet. It's a free shower. Lightning and the thunder. We'll see you later, folks. Please subscribe, like the videos. Appreciate it. Much love. See ya.